Welcome back to another CodeHS Python tutorial. Today we're helping Tracy the Turtle draw 3 vertical lines on the canvas to split it into 4 equal columns. By the end, you'll be familiar with Tracy's movement and drawing commands and know how to streamline code with a for loop. Our task is to divide a 400 pixel canvas into 4 equal sections by drawing lines at 100, 200, and 300 pixels from the left edge, creating 4 100 pixel wide columns. First, let's review the commands we'll use. 1. Penup and pendown. Penup lets Tracy move without drawing, ideal for positioning her. Pendown lowers Tracy's pen so she can draw each vertical line. 2. Forward and backward. Forward pixels moves Tracy forward a set number of pixels. Backward pixels repositions her backward. 3. Left and right. These turn Tracy by a specified angle, like 90 degrees, to set her facing the right direction before each line. To begin, we'll move Tracy to her start position for the first line at 100 pixels from the left. Here's how the code looks. Penup, backward 100, left 90, forward 200, right 90. Now that she's in position, we'll use pendown to draw the first line with forward 400. Then we'll use penup to lift her pen so she can move without drawing. Repeat this for the remaining lines by positioning her at 200 and 300 pixels. Here's the code for all 3 lines. You can enter the following code 3 times into the code editor to solve the solution. Right 90, pendown, forward 400, penup, left 90, forward 100, left 90, forward 400. Right 90. Run your code to see if Tracy creates 3 evenly spaced lines, dividing the canvas into columns. Here are a few common errors to watch for. 1. Misspelled commands. Double-check spelling and ensure commands are lowercase with parentheses. 2. Incorrect line spacing. Verify each line is spaced 100 pixels apart at the 100, 200, and 300 pixel marks. 3. Extra lines. Use penup to avoid extra lines and ensure only 3 lines are drawn. Once satisfied, save and submit. Now let's make the code more efficient with a for loop. Since each line follows the same pattern, we can use a loop to repeat the commands without duplicating code. Here's how we can modify it with a for loop. Penup, backward 100, left 90, forward 200, right 90, for I in range. 3. Right 90, pendown, forward 400, penup, left 90, forward 100, left 90, forward 400, right 90, left 90. Using for I in range. 3. Tells Tracy to repeat the line drawing commands 3 times. This makes the code cleaner, saves time, and lets us easily adjust the number of lines by changing the range. As an added challenge, think about how you could easily change that code to draw more lines that are closer together. Test your hypothesis by experimenting with a Python turtle program in the sandbox in CodeHS. Here, you can experiment with other programming languages as well. Anyway, that's it for this lesson. Today, we used Tracy's movement commands, drew lines to split the canvas into 4 columns, and learned how we can use loops to streamline repetitive code and tasks. Thanks for watching. Like always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and reach out with any questions. Happy coding!